Hey guys, how are you? Today we're gonna do freeze dance because this is one of the songs that we usually use in the mirror room when we play freeze dance, or even in the classroom. So we're gonna do the animal freeze dance one. Um, Looks like this. So I'm going to do it. So we'll see how it goes. Stitch might come in and join. He's wandering around, and the cat's in the background too. But, so let's get started. Ready?
Let's play the Animals Freeze Game! First, let's stomp like elephants. But remember to stop when I say freeze! Stomp, stomp, elephant stomp, stomp around the room. Elephant stomp around the room. But stop when I say get ready to waddle like penguins! Waddle, waddle, penguins waddle, waddle around the room. Penguins waddle around the room. But stop when I say freeze! Get ready to hop like kangaroos! Hop, hop, kangaroos hop, hop around the room. Kangaroos hop around the room. But stop when I say freeze! Get ready to swim like polar bears! Swim, swim, polar bears swim, swim around the room. Polar bears swim around the room. But stop when I say freeze! Get ready to swing like monkeys! Swing, swing, monkeys swing, swing around the room. Monkeys swing around the room. But stop when I say
Well, I hope you guys like playing freeze dance with me. There's a whole bunch of other songs that we used to dance to too. I found them on Spotify. Just Google the freeze dance songs. So there's plenty of other songs you guys can do. Stitch joined too. So yeah, hope you guys have fun having freeze dance. Save it for a rainy day, because that's like the best time to save freeze dances too. Now he's looking at my foot. All right, guys. See you guys next time. Miss you.